ఈరోజు మనం కెమిస్ట్రీ ఆఫ్ కార్బన్ కాంపౌండ్స్లో వచ్చే హాఫ్ మార్క్ క్వశ్చన్స్ 1 మార్క్ క్వశ్చన్స్ గురించి డిస్కస్ చేద్దాము. ఈ ఛానల్ మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి, డైలీ అప్డేట్స్ పొందండి. ఈరోజు మనం కెమిస్ట్రీ ఆఫ్ కార్బన్ కాంపౌండ్స్లో ద వర్సటైల్ నేచర్ ఆఫ్ కార్బన్ అండ్ ద హైడ్రోకార్బన్స్ అండ్ ద క్లాసిఫికేషన్ ఆఫ్ హైడ్రోకార్బన్స్ and what is catenation and epoch names of alkanes, alkenes and alkynes అనేవి టాపిక్స్ అనేది చూద్దాం. కార్బన్ యొక్క అటమిక్ నెంబర్ చూసినట్లయితే 6 1s2 2s2 2p2 ఉంటుంది. ఇక మన అవుటర్ మోస్ట్ ఎలక్ట్రానిక్ కాన్ఫిగరేషన్ కనుక చూసినట్లయితే 2s2 2p2 అనేది మనకి ఉంటుంది. అంటే 2s2లో ఒక పెయిర్డ్ ఎలక్ట్రాన్ పెయిర్ అనేది ఉంటుంది, 2 సింగిల్ ఎలక్ట్రాన్స్ ఉంటాయి. దిస్ ఈజ్ ద గ్రౌండ్ స్టేట్. ఎక్సైటెడ్ స్టేట్కి వచ్చినప్పుడు హియర్ వీ కెన్ సీ దిస్ ఎలక్ట్రాన్, ద పెయిర్డ్ ఎలక్ట్రాన్ will enter into the p orbital. So 4 unpaired electrons will be there. So the carbon atom can form 4 covalent bonds, 4 single bonds between other atoms. Okay, we shall discuss this. See here, carbon 1 2 3 4 single electrons. It can form 4 single bonds, 4 covalent bonds with other carbon atoms or other elements. Okay, here the carbon can form different types of bonds. Here we can see single bond. One pair of electrons are sharing between 2 carbon atoms. Here you can see it is sharing one pair of carbon atoms. Okay, now we shall see double bond. Here 2 pairs of electrons are being shared between 2 carbon atoms. Here you can see here. Okay, you can see here 2 carbon atoms are being shared. Here 2 pairs, this is double bond. Okay, this is triple bond. Carbon atoms may share 3 pair of electrons to form a triple bond. Here you can see 1 and 3 electrons and 3 electrons of other carbon atom. 3 electron pairs, 3 pairs of electrons to form a triple bond. That means carbon can form single bond, double bond or triple bond. This is the versatile nature of the carbon. Now let us discuss what is catenation. Ability to form longest chain with its own atoms to give big molecules. Example, ethylene can form polyethylene. Every day we are seeing polyethylene bags, no? Example, carbon, sulfur, phosphorus. Along with carbon, sulfur and phosphorus also, they have the ability to form longest chains with its own atoms to give big molecules. So they also exhibit the catenation property. If the examination, if they ask you write about the versatile nature of the carbon, you have to remember these 3 points. The first one, to form large number of compounds. That is the special nature of carbon. So a branch of chemistry, organic chemistry is there. And the second one, to show catenation. The third, to show various types of bonds. Likewise, you have to write these 3 points and you have to explain. Now we shall discuss about hydrocarbons. What are hydrocarbons? The organic compounds that consist of only carbon and hydrogen. You can see the examples: carbon and hydrogen, methane and ethane, only carbon and hydrogen. So these are called hydrocarbons. We can see the classification of hydrocarbons: open chain hydrocarbons, closed chain hydrocarbons. The open chain hydrocarbons are also called as aliphatic hydrocarbons and acyclic hydrocarbons. And the example of open chain hydrocarbons is propane, C3H6, And the closed chain hydrocarbons, cyclopentane, this is the example for closed chain hydrocarbons. And another classification, hydrocarbons are classified as alkanes, alkenes and alkynes based on the bond type of bond present in between two carbon atoms. What are alkanes? Hydrocarbons containing single bonds between two carbon atoms, so they are called as saturated hydrocarbons also. Alkenes, hydrocarbons containing at least one double bond between two carbon atoms, these are unsaturated hydrocarbons. And alkynes, hydrocarbons containing at least one triple bond between two carbon atoms, those are called alkynes. And also in these alkanes and alkynes we shall see these two types of chains, a straight chain. Here you can see the straight chain, this is the branched chain, you can observe the branched chain also. Now we shall learn the root words. Based on the length of the carbon chain, the number of carbon atoms, we have to put the root word. Med means med. If carbon atom is one, med. If two carbon atoms are there, eth. Three carbon atoms are there, three. Prop. Four carbon atoms, but. Five, pent. 6 hex, 7 hept, like that you have to put the root word. Here you can see C2 H6, C2. What is the root word you have to keep? 2 means ethane. Here you can see the alkanes. Methane, ethane, propane, ane. The primary suffix is ane for alkanes. 1, methane. 2, ethane. 3, propane. What is the general formula? CnH2n plus 2. If it is 2 2's are 4 plus 2, C2H6, C3H8, CH4, likewise. You can see methane, ethane, propane, and also you can see the single bond between two carbon atoms. So in alkanes there will be single atoms, so they are called as saturated hydrocarbons. If you see methane, ethane, a difference of CH2 will be maintained. Here you can see the difference of CH2. Here you can see the difference of CH2. Ane. Meth is the root word and ane is the primary suffix. Methane, ethane, propane, this is the homologous series because the difference is CH2. This is called the homologous series of alkanes. Here you have to observe one thing. Propane already we wrote as C3H8. You can write CH3, CH2 and CH3. Likewise you can write or C3H8, otherwise C3, CH2, CH3, CH2 and CH3. Likewise also you can write. That is CH3, CH2, CH3 or C3H8. Likewise you can write. The condensed formula of propane is C3H8. Okay, alkenes, a double bond. At least one double bond between two carbon atoms, those are called alkenes. The general formula of alkenes is CnH2n. If it is propene, C3H6. Butene, C4H8. Likewise you can write the formula of ene, general formula of CnH2n. Ethene, propene, butene. CH2 difference is maintaining this is the homologous series of alkenes. Here you can see pentene. In pentene, one pentene and 2-pentene you can see here, 1-pentene, and this is the 2-pentene. Based on the double bond position we are writing the names, alkynes. A series of unsaturated hydrocarbons that contain one triple bond. That is, the general formula is CnH2n-2. Propyne, C3H4. Likewise, you can write triple bond will be there. So these are called unsaturated hydrocarbons. And ethyne, propyne, butane, pentane. Likewise, you can write. See here, ethyne, C2H2 ethyne is also called as acetylene. They will ask you acetylene, then C2H2 ethyne. Propyne, butane, CnH2n-2. Likewise, you have to practice. And the types of bonds, unsaturated hydrocarbons means if there is at least one double bond or triple bond in between two carbon atoms, those are called unsaturated hydrocarbons. Example, ethene or ethylene. Here you can see the double bond. And saturated hydrocarbons, only single bonds between carbon atoms. Example, CH4, C2H6, likewise. Now, naming of organic compounds. Primary suffixes for alkanes end with ane, alkenes end with ene, alkynes end with ine. These are the primary suffixes. And meth for one carbon atom in the carbon chain. If it is only one carbon atom in the carbon chain, meth, two carbon atoms, eth, those are the root words. Afterwards, we shall see what is an alkyl group. Have one less hydrogen than the corresponding alkane. Methane is CH4, no? CH3 is methyl. One hydrogen is less. If C2H6 is ethane, C2H5 is ethyl. Here you can see. This is methane, and we are reducing one hydrogen, one cutting, only CH3, that is methyl group, that is an alkyl group. Draw methyl, this is methyl. You can see C2H6, this is methane. If you cut this one, then it will become ethyl group, that is ethyl. That is ethyl. You can see the propane, C3H8. If no hydrogen atom, then it will become C3H8 is propane, C3H7 is propyl. This is the alkyl group. In the examination, they will ask you methane, CH4, ethane, C2H6, propane, C3H8, butane, C4H10, pentane, C5H12. What is the next compound? After pentane, what we shall get? Hexane, that is C6H14. What type of saturated or unsaturated hydrocarbon? Because these are all alkanes, only saturated hydrocarbons. These are all saturated hydrocarbons. The next question, IUPAC name of alkene containing 3 carbon atoms. Alkene and 3 carbon atoms. 3 carbon atoms means prop, and alkene they are asking propene, that is C3H6. The first member of a homologous series among alkynes, ethyne, that is acetylene, C2H2. The carbon compounds containing double and triple bond are called unsaturated hydrocarbons. If it is only a single bond, that is saturated hydrocarbon. What is the name of the property of an atom to form long chain to its own atom with its own atom? Catenation. Already we learnt previously what is catenation also. The following molecules can show catenation property: A, carbon; B, sulfur; C, phosphorus; D, all the above. Carbon, sulfur and phosphorus can form catenation property, so we have to keep D, all the above. And afterwards, example for saturated hydrocarbon. Here C2H2, that is ethine, that is alkyne. C3H4, that is C3H4 means propyne, that is triple bond. C2H2 is also ethine, triple bond. C3H4 is also triple bond. C2H4, that is ethene, that is double bond. C4H10, that is butane, that is ane means saturated hydrocarbon alkane. So I am writing the answer as C4H10. Likewise, they will ask you in the coming public examination. Practice nicely, and I wish you get good marks. Thank you, children.